In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing page in Power BI dashboard. Start by opening Power BI on your desktop and loading one of your existing reports. We'll build a simple, clear landing page that acts like a menu so users can navigate your report confidently. First, prepare the report structure. Add a new page, then drag it all the way to the far left so it becomes the first page users see. Rename this page to something intuitive like home or menu. Keeping it first and clearly labeled helps everyone understand where to start. Next, design a background that instantly tells viewers this is a landing page, not a data page. Click on an empty area of the canvas so no visual is selected. In the format pane, the paintbrush icon, open canvas background. Choose a brand color such as a dark blue or gray. Set transparency to 0% because the default 100% makes your color invisible. If you prefer an image, browse for a high quality background. Pick something clean and subtle so your buttons remain easy to read. Now let's add navigation. You have two approaches, fast and automatic or custom and more polished. For the quickest setup, go to the insert ribbon, choose buttons, then navigator and select page navigator. Power BI will generate a bar with buttons for every visible page in your report. This is great when you want an instant, consistent menu with minimal effort. If you want a tailored design, create custom buttons. Go to Insert, choose Buttons and select Blank, or use a shape or an image. With the button selected, open the Format pane, go to Button Style, turn text on, and type the destination name like Sales View. Now set the action, which is crucial. In the Action section, turn Action on. For type, select Page Navigation and then choose the specific destination page. Duplicate and adjust for each page you want to link, keeping labels clear and consistent. To complete the experience, add a way back to the landing page from your detail pages. Open a destination page, select Insert, then Buttons, and choose Back. Place it in the top left corner for predictable access. By default, this button returns users to the previously viewed page. If you want a fixed route, change its action to page navigation and set the destination to home. Copy and paste this back button to all other pages. Give it a quick test, start at home, click each button, and make sure the back button brings you to the right place. That's your Power BI landing page. Thanks for watching.